Hey, health enthusiasts! Ever wondered what raw food can do for your skin? Stick around because today, I'm diving deep into how raw food can transform your skin health. From boosting hydration to fighting off free radicals, raw foods have a lot to offer. Now, we all crave that glowing complexion, right? Well, the secret might just be in your diet. What you eat can significantly impact how your skin looks and feels. Raw foods are packed with nutrients that can work wonders for your skin. Let's break it down. These foods are often unprocessed and in their natural state, which means they retain more of their nutritional value. First off, raw foods are rich in vitamins and minerals. These essential nutrients are the building blocks for healthy skin. Think about it. When you eat a fresh salad or a bowl of fruits, you're getting a direct hit of vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins are not just good for your overall health, but they are particularly beneficial for your skin. These vitamins are essential for healthy skin. They help to repair cells and combat free radical damage. Goodbye, wrinkles. Next, hydration. Hydration is another key factor in maintaining that youthful glow. Many raw foods, especially fruits and veggies, have high water content. This natural hydration can help keep your skin supple and smooth. Hydrated skin is happy skin you. When your skin is well hydrated, it looks plumper and more youthful. Water helps to flush out toxins and keep your skin looking plump and youthful. It's like nature's moisturizer. And speaking of nature, let's talk about antioxidants. And let's not forget about antioxidants. These powerful compounds are abundant in raw foods. Raw foods are loaded with them. Antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals, which can cause premature aging and skin damage. Antioxidants help to protect your skin from environmental damage like pollution and UV rays. They act as a shield, keeping your skin safe from harmful elements. They can also reduce inflammation, which is a common cause of acne and redness. By reducing inflammation, your skin can look clearer and more even-toned. So, by eating raw, you're giving your skin a protective shield. This shield can help you maintain a clear and radiant complexion. Now, you might be wondering, how do I start? It's simple. You don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Incorporate more raw fruits and vegetables into your meals. Start with small changes, like adding a side salad to your lunch or snacking on fresh fruit. Try a green smoothie for breakfast, a colorful salad for lunch, or even raw veggie sticks as a snack. These small changes can make a big difference over time. Your skin will thank you. You'll start to notice improvements in your skin's texture and appearance. But remember, balance is key. While raw foods are beneficial, it's important to have a well-rounded diet. It's important to have a varied diet that includes all food groups. This ensures you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Raw foods can be a fantastic addition, but they shouldn't be your only source of nutrition. Balance raw foods with cooked foods, proteins, and healthy fats. So, why not give it a shot? Start small, make gradual changes, and observe how your skin responds. You might be surprised at how quickly you see results. Start small, make gradual changes, and observe how your skin responds. You might just discover the secret to that radiant, healthy glow you've always wanted. Consistency is key, so stick with it. You might just discover the secret to that radiant, healthy glow you've always wanted. Your skin will reflect the care and attention you give it. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Your support means a lot to us. Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing. Remember, your skin is a reflection of what you eat.